Hi everyone! In this week's experiment, we're going to turn a fish using materials like this Sharpie or whatever marker you have. Then some pieces of paper. I'm using green, but you can use any color. And then a glass. It's really important that the glass is vertical in shape and there's no bumps or bruises in the glass. So you don't want something like this, where the middle is wider than the top, because it will make your drawing a really weird shape. So to start, we're going to make a little design. I'm going to do a fish, and depending on the size of your glass, you want to make it really, really small. So I'm going to do a really, really little fish. And set this aside and start pouring the water into the glass. You want it to be filled almost to the brim so you have as much surface to work with. Then we're just going to place this glass and be sure to look at which direction the fish is facing now. And when I put it here, from a certain angle, you can see that the fish is turned around. Now you have to be careful that the fish is far enough away from the glass that it will have enough room to refract. And if you don't see it right away, then you might want to try looking from a different angle, like from the left or the right, depending on what kind of glass you have. But you should be able to see a difference. So take a minute to think about how this experiment works. This experiment works because of light and its reflection and refraction properties. So when the light is reflected into the water and it's shown in, but because this is a different medium than air, the light will be refracted. And through the double panes of glass, the light is also reflected. So the image that you see here and through this will be different because it's a different medium that you are seeing it through. So when you do this experiment, think about some of the other things that reflection and refraction also work for. For example, when you put a straw into water, it will seem like it is bent or the straw is cut in half. But that's actually only because the refraction properties of water and the air. So as we end this experiment, think about some of the other things that you experience refraction with in daily life. See you next week. Bye.